Yo, I mean people them, you don't know say Yaadman, and I am currently in the second day of quarantine. You see me? The first day of quarantine started when I arrived in Jamaica. And now I'm in the second day, and I just got the notification from the Jam COVID app that I am supposed to do a video check-in. The people them want me to make a video submission of myself, telling them where I am and how I am feeling. For monitor me and all these things. So one thing that I want to make clear for anybody who is traveling to Jamaica, anybody who is in Jamaica in quarantine and don't know what to do, I noticed that there was an issue with the app. It wanted my immigration case number when I went to check in, but me never get nothing named immigration case number. And then I call my friend and I ask other people they do it or go on about it and all them like, you know, what is the immigration case number. So basically, with a little experimentation, I found out that the immigration case number is actually your reference number from your travel authorization when you set up your travel authorization for the Jamaica. Alright? So in case you don't know that, you don't know. Alright, so see it here. Experiencing any symptoms? No. Yaadman, no COVID. Alright. Experiencing any symptoms? Click that. And now I'm gonna want to know my temperature. Check my temperature. It is very normal. It is very normal. You see me? And then we're gonna do the video submission. Alright. And ready? And time for the video. Etan Campbell Reed. My temperature is pretty normal, 98.3, something like that. No fever, me not hot. Jamaica hot, but me not hot. Alright, cough. Me not cough. You see me? Me not no sore throat. Nothing not going on my throat. Me not no difficulty I breathe. Can ask the girl them. No headache, no chest pain, no vomiting, no diarrhea. My belly not run gun, no way, no abdominal pain. Thank you very much. Alright people them, so I just did my check-in, then we use this video and then submit that. And yeah, that was my check-in. Yo, Madam Minister of Health, I am sorry, but just as the notifications I need to check in, nobody send nobody after me. We still in the same location in a quarantine, you see me? Alright, yeah, me not COVID symptoms, me not cough, me not sore throat. I'm good. You see me, I say difficulty breathing, no headache, no chest pain. The only time I get chest pain now when my girl burn me. You see me? No vomiting, no diarrhea, no abdominal pain. People them, just send one KC for me, please, no man. Alright. Good at that. Etan Campbell Reed, code 5208. Ministry. Me just sent on a check-in. Not even half hour ago. Me still in the same place. Me lock up. I'm miserable. I'm hungry. If you not text me like jealous woman, at least send me little food. Thanks. Etan Campbell Reed, code 1272. Ministry. I am still at Kingston 8, and guess what? Me nah no cough, me nah no sneeze, I have no symptoms, me nah no fever, but just want I'm a zinger. But I know that you guys want to check in on me to see if anybody will visit me. Guess what? You see that there is absolutely nobody in my bed. I am sleeping alone. But Etan Campbell Reed, code 1264. Ministry. I am still in quarantine. I am being a good citizen. As me I said, I am still at. I have no symptoms of COVID-19, but you know what would do really well with me right now? 19 pieces of chicken. Listen to me. 5 days in a quarantine and all no, me not say KFC. Ministry. I torture this. I need the singer. Me not stop till me get my singer. Etan Campbell Reed, code 9910. Ministry. It is day 6 of quarantine and I do not have any symptoms. You see me I say? Right now the only type of water that I touch my skin is in the shower. But I can't even touch the rainwater. But outside, much just beach and river water. Come on now, do them something there. You see me? Not even a little thing on my lips. So look here now. When you get that zinger for me, bring one thing for wash it down. Thanks. I'm sending in my food order to the ministry and them just keep ignoring me. I don't understand. I don't understand.
I'm Andrew Holness, your Prime Minister, and I want to welcome you to the Jam COVID.
Etan Camberry, code 9775. I am still in quarantine at. I just wake up on day 7. It has been a week, and all me not even get like me that fry fish, but me never have no festival. Is it me I say? But you know, could I name with a festival? So me not having out in a long time since week. Jerk chicken ministry here. I'm with me. I'm a piece. Etan Camberry, code 5507, ministry, me still in a quarantine, look about the place. Still lock up. And as you can hear out the door, that is soca music. But I am being responsible, I get the social distance line. Is it me I say? I wish, I could have wind up on the people them data, but because it's COVID times, I am being responsible. So nobody say nobody out here, so is it me? And me not no symptoms. Me not cough, no sneeze, nothing. Not a big deal though. Etan Camberry, the code 6457. It is day 9 of quarantine. Minister, I am still here. As I say, I am not being one of them people going out to Half a Tree and Devon House in their quarantine period. No, I am still here. I am not being a weak fence. Is it me? But oh no, one can't send a healthcare worker with a patty. But then in a quarantine 9 days, but then in Jamaica 9 days, no patty. Cruel to this. People really asking me if I am actually submitting these videos. I'm dead serious. Hey, the focus now. Come on, submit. I see that. Yo, ministry, you don't know is your favorite quarantine prisoner, Yaadman Etan, aka Etan Camberry, the code 5437. Is it me I say? I am just sending this check-in to let you know that I don't have COVID, and only need to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yaadman Etan, YAADMAN_ETAN. If we make you laugh, none tall. Only need to send somebody with a zinger. Mad. Yes. I mean, minister, you don't know, says Yaadman Etan, aka Etan Camberry. Is it me? I'm still in quarantine, day 11, 3 more days in the road. Code is 9452, by the way. Anyways, it's a Friday when you see me up on the road. I don't want you to be too alarmed when people start tagging you and Christopher Tufton in my posts, if they think that I'm breaking quarantine, because I'm being a good noodle. Speaking of noodle, more some Chinese food too. But there Jamaica all along I'm not getting a Chinese food. How what is? Jamaican Chinese food is the best in the world, alright? Etan Camberry, code 8346. I am still in quarantine at say hi to the camera. Tell the people them hype on YouTube. Is it me I say make sure you subscribe to Yaadman Etan on YouTube. Is it me I say? Yeah, I record them something. Anyways. Me still in a quarantine. Me not left the yard yet. Is it me? But just know say Friday, I'm out and about. Yo! It is day 13 of my quarantine, and it is time to send the ministry them daily video. Etan Camberry, code 5940, Ministry of Health. Hear me I say now. Chicken fried rice, want a spicy zinger, big deal. Want a box food to some jerk chicken. Is it me I say? You're probably wondering, what am I doing? I am putting in my food order because I have been a good youth and I have been here for 13 days in quarantine and I'm not going nowhere. Is it me? So please, I want to send down in a healthcare worker on and say, send we never send, and get my food, please and thanks. Yeah. Day 15. Quarantine. I'm free. Yo, my God, I road. Yo. Freedom! I mean, people that don't know, say Yaadman Etan, and I are back in Jamaica right now. We are in half a tree. You see me? And look here now. Don't bother tag Christoph Tan. Don't bother tag the Ministry of Health because my quarantine done.